Hi. Well, I got these flies from a friend of mine, and then I went and stopped at the Orvis store. I needed to get a new one of these little threaders. I typically have them with the bodkin, but I also got some of these floats too. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna hopefully go trout fishing next weekend on the Guadalupe River. But this friend of mine he lives next to my parents, and he tied me up some flies. He didn't. I asked him for a while back. I mean, so he didn't need to. I mean, and I actually tied some myself, kind of like this, but it looks like, except there's some extra ones that he tied that I didn't. And I got this new little fly box. It's called the Day Pack Slit Silicone Tacky. Here it is, and it comes with this little thing, and so it comes with this nice little sticker. And I'm gonna put this on my kayak. That'll look nice. But yeah, it's just a simple little box, and hopefully all these small little flies will fit in it. Let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour them out, and I'm gonna put all the little worms right next to each other. I'm going to put those in the middle, and let's see. Okay, there's a little pink one. I'll keep all the pink together, and I got pink and red. Let me see if one of my puppies ready to come in. Bella, come on. You quit trying to get over to the neighbor's yard. All right. So, and then I got here, I'm going to put all these little San Juan worms all next to each other. Oh, well, I thought the hook broke off on this one. So it'd be cool to get these. I don't know if these work or how these work. I've never used San Juan worms. Then I got some of these little eggs, and I'm going to put all those eggs. Let me just put those right here. Some of these eggs will be, some of these flies will do real well. And then I've got like these hackle flies that I'm gonna have. Got like a little copper john with red on it. Got some hare's ear. Here's some soft hackles. More without any beads. Got some I can't remember. I think these are Prince Nims. What are you doing? Okay, so we've got plenty of space. So here's some soft hackles. Chris sure does do a good job at tying, I tell you. He was a far better tyer at his age than I was at his age. I've gotten better. These smaller ones, I need to get some. I need to get some. Probably get some like a magnifying glass that goes over my vise. I don't know, these kind of went in there quicker than I thought they would. Well, yeah, if y'all notice here, I'm going to kind of show y'all as soon as I'm done putting these in here. If y'all notice, I'm in my new home. Oh, that one didn't go in there good. I'm in my new home. I'll go ahead and show y'all everything. Everything's almost packed, but here's my box with my friend's stuff that he made me in it. This box was like $20. And, this would be a good little box to, if you're like, oh, I'm going to go perch jerk, you can do it with this. But anyhow, so let's see. Well, here's my kitchen here. So, I mean, this place is nice. And then here's like the dining room. There's Ace. And then, or that's the den. And then that's over there, the dining room. And then there's upstairs. But I absolutely love my house. My wife loves it. She's it's nice. But you know what? It sucks. It's raining outside, and I hope it doesn't affect the flows, because I'm going to try to bust out of here. I also got some of these too. These little indicators. But I hope next week it kind of chills out so I can go do a little trout fishing. Someone wants to go down in a kayak, but I might just try to walk in there. But then flows have been pretty good. I'm going to check it as soon as I'm done here. But I also got my new summer hat, because it gets hot down here, man. And well, it might look stupid or whatever. I got kind of a big head. This is a large, and that's all it fits right there. So, so that'll be my summer hat. Keep my ears from getting sunburned. That's what we have to do in Texas, man. It gets 104 down here sometimes fishing, so you got to keep your skin protected, man. If you keep it covered, you actually don't get dehydrated. So, but all right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I know I haven't seen anyone. I'm getting close to that 700 giveaway. All right, y'all have a good day.